Hello! Welcome to a new video tutorial. We're going to work on this classic airliner. I will try to make it as simple and easy as possible so you can replicate it at home. Let's start. Remember that during the video, I do not indicate color codes. If you wish, kindly ask me for them in the comment box, and I will gladly indicate them to you. This is the airline that we will be replicating in this project. If you wish, you can use any other airline for your airplane. Try to get the best possible decal available in the market for your project. Remember that you will be spending many hours of work, and poor quality decals can completely ruin your work. For this project, I will use the decals of the cockpit windows, so I will not bother to paint and detail the cockpit components. But if you wish, you can do it. Just remember to mask the canopy correctly. If you wish, you can get my free tutorial book on how to mask canopies like a pro. I will leave the link in the video description. See what I mean? It is very detailed, so I will give it a try in this project, but I usually don't use it. I always like to work with the canopy as detailed and realistic as possible. Remember to remove the excess plastic from the sprues, so the fuselage will be as smooth and perfect as possible for the paint job to be neat. Before you ask the question, I only place the windows to have a base with which to apply the window decals. In my experience, always try to use window decals, because many times if you proceed to use masking or something to protect it from the paint, always when unmasking it ends up ruining the paint job near the window area. There are modelers that do exceptional jobs with this, but sometimes working less is more. I have already explained many times in previous videos how to repair the joints with putty, so if you have doubts about this process, please review videos of my previous projects so you can get an idea. I can also tell you in the comment box. Remember that you can use your airbrush to paint the plane, but in my case, I have the exact color codes in aerosol to carry out the painting process much faster. If you're going to do the same, remember to shake the can well and spray at a distance of about 5 fingers from the plane, so the paint finish will be excellent. Remember, this is only with the application of the paint. There is still the final varnish to give even more shine to the paint. Excellent, isn't it? Now that the paint is dry enough, we can start applying the decals to the fuselage of the airplane. I recommend that when working with large decals, cut them into small sections, so you can handle them in a better way and avoid breaking them, completely ruining your work. This is all I need to do this part of the job. Nice and easy. I won't lie, this particular decal set was very hard for me to apply without breaking it, but don't worry, with practice you can do it without any problem. Look, if you are one of those who criticize why I didn't glue this part of the wings to the plane before the painting process in order to seal the spaces, please avoid making that comment. First, understand the type of decal you are working with. Also, if you do a good job of assembly from the beginning, you won't have that kind of problems.
so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times, don't fly too high.
Thanks for watching the video until the end. If you liked it, please don't forget to leave your like and comment. And remember that you can subscribe to keep up to date with all the airplane building videos that I upload to my channel. so you would support me a lot to continue forward.